Good day everyone, my name is Sharet Paradoniegos from TLE-lA 3B. Today, we tackled about the refrigeration cycle. But before that, what is refrigeration? When we say refrigeration, it is the process of transferring heat from one area to another. If we remove heat from one substance, it becomes cold, and cold is merely the absence of heat. The removal of heat can be accomplished by using ice or any mechanical and non-mechanical means. Mechanical refrigeration system uses compressor to move the refrigerant into the system and keep the cycle. Non-mechanical system are the absorption system, the steam jet system, the thermoelectric system, and the magnetic system. The refrigeration system, which is usually called the vapor compression. Principles of refrigeration. The mechanical refrigeration system, or the vapor compression, has 4 stages taking place: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. It is divided into 2 pressure sides, the low pressure side and the high pressure side. Compressor. It is referred to as heart of the system. The compressor receives low pressure gas from the evaporator and converts it to high pressure gas through compression. As the name states, as the gas is compressed, the temperature rises. The second is evaporator. It is the part of the system where the refrigerant absorbs heat. It's where the cold air comes from. Evaporator coil is located inside or near the air handler where the blower fan is. Evaporator coil are made from copper, steel or aluminum because these metals conduct heat easily. Most residential AC evaporator consist of tube bent into U-shapes and set into panels. Condenser. It is also a coil of tube used to reject heat from an air conditioning or refrigeration system. Sometimes they are used with the intention to heat airstream. They are one of the 4 main components in the refrigeration or air conditioning cycle. Refrigerant enters as a superheated gas and condenses in the coil tube as the air is heated. The refrigerant leaves the coil as a liquid. The fourth is expansion valve. Expansion valve are devices used to control the refrigerant flow in the refrigeration system. They help to facilitate the change of higher pressure of liquid refrigerant in the condensing unit to lower pressure gas refrigerant in the evaporator. Lastly, refrigerant. If the compressor is the heart of the system, the refrigerant is the blood of the system. A refrigerant is a fluid that easily absorbs heat in the evaporator and discharges it into a condenser. Refrigeration cycle. At point 1, as the low-pressure liquid refrigerant moves through the cooling coil or evaporator, it picks up heat from the foods placed inside the refrigerant cabinet. As the liquid refrigerant absorbs heat, it changes to vapor. It is then drawn into the compressor. At point 2, the low-pressure gas refrigerant is drawn into the compressor where it is subjected to a higher pressure due to the compression process by the piston or cylinder unit of the compressor. As a result of being compressed, the low-pressure gas refrigerant increases its pressure and its temperature. At point 3, the higher pressure gas refrigerant passes to the condenser where the heat is discharged and the vapor changes back to liquid. However, this liquid is still high pressure. At point 4, the high pressure liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, thus reducing the pressure immediately. The pressure decreases lower the temperature of the liquid refrigerant even more, and it is now ready to pick up more heat.